Good morning. So yesterday, if you remember, we had talked about a lot of things. And day before yesterday also we started with some basic concepts. If you can quickly revise in just 2 minutes. We talked about two major things, and which were these: price and volume. In a price, we talked about few more important things, and which were these? In prices we talked about what? OHLC. And what was OHLC? Open, high, low, and close. Correct? After that, we talked about few more points, which were about the different types of candles. So today I'm going on a little bit faster note, okay, for revision. Types of candles, which were these? Yeah, so, oh yes, we talked about types of charts first, right? So that was which type of chart? First it was a line chart, followed by a bar chart, then volume bar chart, and towards the end we talked about a candlestick, right? After that, yesterday we talked about few important points. We talked about support level, we talked about a resistance level. So for example, if this is the trend which is going on, what is this called as? The upper end, what is that called as? That is called as a resistance level, and this lower band will be called as a support level, correct? Then if I talk about this kind of a scenario, it is called as an uptrend. This is called as a downtrend. This will be called as a sideways trend. Okay, what is this called as? Very good. That was a trend reversal at this point especially. Why? Lower high was formed. Till here it was higher high, higher high, higher high. And at H4 it was a lower high. Correct? Yes, so to continue the revision, we talked about the different types of trends. We talked about uptrend, we talked about a downtrend, we talked about a sideways trend. We also talked about a trend change. Correct? What is the most important points that we talked yesterday? And we also talked about multi-time frame analysis. What was multi-time frame analysis? Grandfather, father, and son. What is grandfather? Monthly candle. What is a father? Weekly candlestick. And what is a son? A daily candlestick. Correct? And yesterday I had given some homework. How many of you have done the homework? If you can raise your hand. Great. Sincere student has not done the homework today. Oh, you have not even slept and come to the class. Just barely slept and came to the class. Okay. Right.